Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Tutorial. I am Muhammad Adim Asar and in this video we come to know that how to make this simple knife design. So first of all, click on the front plane and then sketch. Take 3-point torque, click on this point and on this point and draw it here. Now take another arc, click on this point and on this point and draw it here. Give its dimension. Make it 120 mm and the radius will be 476 mm. Now give its vertical height. Select this 2 point and make it 10 mm. Give its radius 432 mm. One 21 mm and its vertical height will be 6 mm. Okay. Now take a line, join these 2 points, move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it blind, and make it mid plane, and make it 1 mm. Okay. Now select this face and then sketch. Take 3-point arc, click on this point and on this point and draw it here. Give its dimension. Make it 6.3 mm and its radius will be 5.3, 4.3 mm. Okay. Now take a line, click at its center and draw it here. Select this line and make it for construction. Select mirror entity, select this arc and mirror about this line. Okay. Now take another arc, click here and draw it here. Give its dimension. Its radius will be 17 mm. Okay. Now take mirror entity, select this arc and mirror about this line. Okay. Take a line, join these 2 points and these 2 points. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it up to 1 mm. Okay. Take another arc, first select this face and then sketch. Now take another arc, click on this point and on this point and draw it here. Again select 3-point arc and make it here. Give its dimension 7.7 millimeter and the radius will be 6.1 millimeter. Give its horizontal dimension, make it 4.1. Okay. Now select this arc, make it 4.1 and the vertical height will be 2.7. Radius will be 3.8 millimeter. Now select mirror entity, select these two arc, mirror about. First of all, take a line, click on its center and draw it here. Select this line and make it for construction. Now select mirror entity, select this two arc and select this line. Okay. Now join this 2 point, move on the feature tab and select extrude boss. Make it extrude up to height of 7 millimeter. Okay. Now select front plane and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and make it vertical and draw it here. Move on the feature tab, select extrude cut, extrude this part. Okay. Now select front plane and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and draw it horizontal. Take another line and draw it vertical. Give its dimension, make it 60 millimeter and make it 6.2 millimeter. Okay. Now take another line, click on this point, draw it here and then here. Move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it mid plane and select 1 millimeter. Okay. Click on this point and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and draw it here. Select smart dimension, make it 4 millimeter. Okay. Now take another line, click on this point and draw it horizontal. Select smart dimension, Make it length up to 18 millimeter. Okay. Take a circle, click on this point and draw it here. Select Smart Dimension, make it 1.5 millimeter, make it 2 millimeter. Okay. Now select Linear Sketch Pattern, select this circle, click here and make it 18 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the Feature tab, select Extrude Boss, select this 3 circle, make it 3 millimeter, select second direction, make it 4 millimeter. Okay. Select Fillet command, select this edge and this edge, make it 0.4 millimeter. Okay. Click on the front plane and then sketch. Take reference geometry and then plane. Make it 20 millimeter. Okay. Now click on plane 1 and then sketch. Take an arc, click on this point and on this point and draw it here. Take another arc, click on this point and draw it here. Now select Smart Dimension, make it 2.8 millimeter. And horizontal height will be 0.59 millimeter. Okay. Again select Smart Dimension, select this 2 point, make it 112 millimeter and horizontal height will be select this 2 point, make it 1.75 millimeter and the radius will be 660 millimeter. Select this arc, make it 5.4 millimeter and the horizontal height will be 0.53 millimeter and radius will be 3.8 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the Feature tab, Select curve and then split line. Select front sketch and then this face. Make it okay. Give its appearance. Select metal, chrome, click here and rooftop. Select this face. Okay. Now save this part. Now click on sketch 7 and make it show. Select this face and then sketch. Take 3-point arc, click on this point and on this point and right here. Take another arc and right here. Now move on the feature tab, select curve and then split line. Select this face and make it okay. Click on sketch 7 and make it height. Now click on this face, give it appearance. I select metal and then chrome. Select chromium plate cost. Okay. Hide this plane. Now open new file. Click on the front plane and then sketch. Take a line. Click on this point and make it horizontal. Select smart dimension. Make it 60 millimeter. Okay. Now take 3-point arc. Click on this point and on this point and right here. Give its dimension. Make it 11 millimeter. Give it radius 5.6 millimeter. Make it 2.07 millimeter. Now take another arc. Click on this point and on this point and right here. Give its dimension. Make it 3.2 millimeter. And the horizontal length is 5 millimeter. Make it 4.2 millimeter. Now select 3-point arc. Click on this point and on this point and right here. Give its dimension. Make it 49 millimeter. Make it 104 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter. Okay. Now take a straight line, click on this point and join this point. Now move on the feature tab. First move on the sketch tab, make it normal, select a line, click on this point and make it vertical. Select smart dimension and make it for construction. Now take another line, click on this point and draw it here. Give its dimension, make it 4 millimeter. Okay. Draw a line up to 18 millimeter. Click on this line and make it 18 millimeter. Take a circle, click on this point and draw it here. Give its dimension, make it 2 millimeter. Okay. Now select linear sketch pattern. Select this circle, change the direction, make it 3, 18 millimeter. Okay. Read this line and this line. Now move on the feature tab. Select extrude boss, make it 3 millimeter. Okay. Select fillet command, click on this face, make it 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Again select fillet command, select this face and this edge. Now save this part. Give them appearance. Go to organic and then wood. Save all of your work. Now open assembly. Select mate. Select this circle. Okay. Click on this face and on this face. Select this face and this face. Now you see that our part is completed. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.